Gage blowback, open racing, limitless. Jumps quick, Gate price dancer, bull session, Faryad, Sarin Gutinos, standard cut, then followed by EP runner, please, Uppo, next in line, Sirid, Grace Park Boy, then followed by Think Twice, while Specialist is running in a third of the field, and out of straight day travel, it's now bull session, followed by Thundercut, Limitless, running in third, 2 lengths back in fourth, Price Dancer, then followed by EPO Honor Please, is running in fifth position, passing the half mile, bull session, just in front, followed closely by Thundercut, Limitless, running in third, down in fourth, Price Dancer, EPO Honor Please, here comes Apo, then followed by Grace Park Boy, Specialist, Nari outside, Sirid next in lineup, long way back, Think Twice, inside the last 600, bull session still in front, Specialist, now Nari outside, EPO Runner please, as they turn for home, Specialist, Nari outside, bull session firing back, bull session once again, Specialist on the outside, Apo running in third by still, bull session, Specialist and Apo, and up the wire is bull session, Specialist, Apo, Price Dancer, Thundercut, Sirid.
Alright, top choice. Bull session crossing the wire first, winning by Jackie J.B. Hernandez. Then masisigun mo numero 3, Specialist. Apo, Price Dancer, Thundercat, then parang Sirid